Good morning, students. Welcome to the physics class. Our today's topic is transverse nature of EM waves. Now, here, students, we will consider a plane wave, that is, plane electromagnetic wave, which is traveling in the x direction. Because we want to prove that the electromagnetic waves have transverse nature, then we have to prove that electromagnetic waves have no electric field component in x direction. So in this way we will prove this. So it can be proved by considering a elementary area, that is ABCD here, and OEFG. So we will use this diagram to prove this. We know that according to first equation of Maxwell, that is E dot ds is equal to 0. So in this way we can say that this is a closed integral. So it can be divided into 6 parts, because this, if we see this diagram, it is bounded by, this cube is bounded by 6 faces. So we can divide the integral into 6 parts. So as we have done here, you can see that we have divided the integral into 6 parts. Now, since E does not depend on y and z, therefore the contribution to the total electric field coming from faces normal to y and z will be cancelled out. So we will cancel all the electric flux integrals which are in the faces which are normal to the y and z. So in this way we will cancel. Now we will take Ex and Ex dash are the values of x component of electric field on faces ABCD and OGFE. So in this way our integral takes the form this, that is integral ABCD will be equal to EXS and our integral OGFE have value minus EX dash S. So by putting the values we get EXS into minus Ex dash S is equal to 0, S is common. So we get Ex minus Ex dash is equal to 0 and Ex is equal to Ex dash, or we can say that Ex is equal to Ex dash is equal to 0. So we have proved that there is no electric field, no component of electric field in the direction of the wave propagation. It means the electric field is perpendicular to the direction of propagation. In the similar manner, we can also prove this for the magnetic field. So hence it is proved that the electromagnetic waves have the transverse nature.